Howdy, y'all. Jaybird here, and welcome to 4x4 Today, where we give you rides, events, and news that you can use. Hey, today I have got three great ones for you, including a trip to a museum. Yes, trust me on this, a trip to a museum that you will not want to miss. So let's get started. Okay, so the 2024 Southeast Overland Camping event is going to be held at the historic Brushy Mountain State Penitentiary in East Tennessee. This is going to be March 22nd through 24th. It's going to include camping for a driver and a passenger. They've got training classes and guided trail rides. You're going to have to buy a separate pass there. And they're going to have a massive raffle with vendors and all kinds of stuff there so that you can talk to the vendors and see how that's going. This is going to be a family-friendly event. So bring everything, bring the kids, have some fun, go camping. Now this is going to be, early March, so it's going to be a great time to check out all the camping equipment and get all the stuff that you got for Christmas and all that kind of stuff to get it ready to go for the summer season. So check out that. Also, you can tour the Brushy Mountain State Penitentiary. You can have lunch at the warden's table. Those are all going to be separate, but you can enjoy it. The prison is really cool and a neat place to visit. So if you know me, you know I'm a Tread Lightly fan. So Tread Lightly is asking for some help to do a project down in Florida. It's going to be at the Lake Delancy West OHV campground. They're going to try to do some renovations. It's going to be January 20th. From 9 to 1, and you meet at the Lake Delancy campground. There's a link to RSVP. We'll have it down in the comments. So what they want you to bring is power drills and bits, hammers, a weed trimmer if possible, gloves, sturdy shoes, hat, sunscreen, water, and lunch. And this is going to help in the Ocala National Forest to revitalize this campground in the OHV area there. So Tread Lightly, wonderful group. We'll talk about Tread Lightly principles and all that kind of stuff, but this is a good one to help. All right, I promised you that we'd have a museum that's interesting, but first let me ask to help me out. Like and subscribe this video. I'm always looking for news and events, and so if you could make a comment, let me know that what are your favorite events you go to? What events do you have an event going on that we could share with the world? Let people know going on. Give me a comment. You can email me at events@4x4today.com. So without further ado, let's talk about this museum that you have to go to. So it's in Cartersville, Georgia. It's the Savoy Automobile Museum. Now what they're having is a evolution of Bigfoot. Now, if you immediately went to Bigfoot in the woods, that hairy creature that is always blurry, maybe you're not a true 4x4 aficionado. And now if you went to a 1970 Ford F-250 pickup truck, then you know what we're talking about. They are going to have the #1 original monster truck that was modified by Bob Chandler in 1975. I can't wait to go see this. It's they're going to have Bigfoot #1. They're going to have, that's the original monster truck. That's the one that started all the monster trucks. They're going to have Bigfoot #8, which is the first CAD designed monster truck. And they're going to have Bigfoot 20, which is the first and only electric monster truck. They've got a couple more that are great. So this one is going to be a lot of fun. It only runs through February, so you've got to get down to Cartersville, Georgia, go to the Automobile Museum there, the Savoy, and check out all of the Bigfoot trucks. I can't wait myself to go see this and see some of the Bigfoot trucks. All right, that's all I got for today. Thanks for joining me. As always, I could always use a comment. I could always use a like, subscribe. It helps with the YouTube algorithm. Thank you so much. I'm Jaybird, the Ice Cream Man, and I will see you on the trails.